Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Google Chrome browser error. As you can see guys in my screen, this page is not responding and error is too many redirects. Okay, so now let's see how to fix this irritating error on your browser. So when you're facing this type of problem on your browser, so first you need to check your internet connection. So if the internet connection is not good, you can face this kind of error on your browser. Okay, so if your internet connection is working fine and you are facing this kind of error, you can try the next method. Now you need to update your browser. To update your browser, click on three dots, go to help, go to about Google Chrome. From here you can easily able to update your browser. Okay, after updating it will fix your problem. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to clear your browsing data. To clear your browsing data, click on three dots, go to history, click on clear browsing data. From here and select time range all time like this, and select this all option, cookies, caches, everything, site settings like this, and click on clear data. After doing this guys, restart your browser. After restarting, now hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to open your website in incognito mode. So just copy your website URL like this and click on three dots, go to new incognito window. It will open the incognito window on your browser, and paste that website URL and hit enter. Hopefully this method will also helps you to fix that problem. It will open your website, but still in case you are facing same type of problem, so one more method you can try. If you are using any third-party extensions on your browser, just you need to disable that extension. Once again, click on three dots, go to extension and click on manage extension. From here you can easily able to uninstall or turn off that extension. After doing this guys, try to open your website. Hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still in case you're facing same type of problem, last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to reset your Google Chrome browser. To reset your browser, once again click on three dots, go to settings like this. In these settings guys, from the left panel scroll down, here you can get the option reset settings. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to reset your browser. So this is the last and final solution to fix that irritating problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.